Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning August the 9th to the 15th using this kit from PaperCandyArt. This kit is called Tropical. I paired this kit with some blue foil, so I had things from Planner Pixie Co, the Pink Diamond Planner Co and Planner Hannah, and kind of mixed all the things I had. I also poured in some rose colour days, underlaid and overlaid tapes to make everything meld well together. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. As usual, I'm gonna lay down my base and let you guys watch it, and then I'll come back for the day by day. So this week I was 11 weeks pregnant, and as I've said in the previous videos, I've been doing voiceovers on the same day, which is why I'm saying the same thing, and I feel like I've said it so many times. I do currently have the baby that I was pregnant with here, so if you hear any noises in the background, it's him. And yeah, so enjoy me laying down the base. starting off with the day by day, starting with Monday. At the top of Monday, I use a stick with a Planko girl with umbrella to note a rainy day. In August, in the UK, that's not surprising. But yeah, then I use a TV icon from the kit to note watching Criminal Minds. I then marked editing using a movie clapper from the kit and an edit script from Harriet Wright Designs. Then marked a Plan With Me binge using a custom Plan With Me binge script from Bella Plan Ella. Use my code ADIATU15 to get 15% off your order at Bella Plan Ella. Then I used a movie clapper icon from Planner Hannah, and I marked Plan With Me binges that way the whole week, I believe. I then marked getting takeout with a drink cup icon from Planner Hannah and a takeout script from the kit. I then used this boy sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio to note that my husband went out. I then used this couple sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio to note watching Love Island with my husband later on that day. And then a taco sticker from the kit to note watching Food Wars. On to Tuesday. At the top of Tuesday, I used an eye mask sticker to note being really tired. I then used this like takeaway bag sticker from a SBC Wiggle probably to note eating my leftovers for breakfast that day. Then used a computer icon from the kit to note watching more Criminal Minds, and then I marked a Plan With Me binge the same way I had the previous day. I then marked a film and a Plan With Me with a camera from the kit and a film Plan With Me custom script from Kinsey's Creation. I then marked a nap, taking a nap with a nap time script from the kit and a pillow icon from the kit. I then marked my husband gamer with a PS5 TV sticker from Sticky Perks and a Babe Gaming script from the kit. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but yeah, that's why I get distracted. The Babe Gaming kit, the Babe Gaming script is not from the kit, sorry, it is from Planner Hannah. I then use this popcorn sticker from the kit, I believe, to note watching Love Island. Moving on to Wednesday, I used a couch sticker from the kit to note being really sleepy. I then used a house sticker from the kit to note going to my mum's house. I then used a shopping bag sticker from a Planner Pick Down the Planner Co. foil bundle and a shopping script from the kit. I then used a TV icon once again from the kit to note watching more Criminal Minds, and I then used this girl from Fox and Pip to note my observation. The observation script is a custom from Bella Plan Ella. I used a Fox and Cactus girl eating some chips to note getting some McDonald's chips. I then used a Lily's Desk TV sticker to note watching Love Island, and then I used a laptop sticker to note watching Food Wars. Yes, that was Thursday. That was Wednesday. Moving on to Thursday, I marked sleeping in with a sleeping script from the kids and a Mixie Cat stuff for Sleep Cat. I then use a computer icon from the kit to note watching Criminal Minds. And then I used a Plan With Me binge script and a YouTube icon like I did the rest of the week to note a Plan With Me binge. Then marked a lazy day with a bed sticker from the kit and a lazy day script from Adorably Amy Designs. I then marked having a headache with a sticker from Stick With The Planko. I marked watching Love Island with a TV sticker from Sticky Perks, and then I marked cooking with a pot from the kit and a cooking with J custom script from, you guessed it, Bella Plan Ella. I then marked watching, what was it called? I marked watching What If, actually. Watching What If with a Captain America sticker from 71 Sticker Co. Moving on to Friday, I marked Payday with a Payday script from the kit and a wallet sticker from the kit as well. I marked Feeling Ill with a sick sticker from Stucker You Designs. I marked Cleaning with a spray bottle from the kit and a clean script from the kit. I keep saying from the kit. If you notice, when I use PaperCandyArt kits, I use a lot of the stuff in the kit, like the scripts and the icons, and the doodles, because I like how they look and they match the kit. So it makes it much easier when I'm pulling stickers to use them. I marked memory planning with a TN sticker from the kit and a memory plan script from Ice Cream Joe. Then I marked watching Love Island with a TV icon from Lily's desk and no script, obviously. I marked Plan with Binge the same way. This script is also from Bella Panella, it's just a different font. And then the icon is from Planner Hannah. I marked taking out my hair with a comb and scissor icon from Harriet Wright Designs. I then used another TV sticker. This one was from, what is that shop called? Pink Leaf Prints, to note watching Criminal Minds. Now let's go on to Saturday. On Saturday, I marked sleeping in with an alarm clock icon from the Pink Diamond Planner Co. Hoya bundle and a sleeping script from Planner Hannah. I then marked having some tea with a tea sticker from the kit and a tea script from Randy.plans. I then marked my husband going out with this man sticker from Fox and Pip. I marked watching Criminal Minds with this girl in bed with a laptop, also from Fox and Pip. I marked having a lazy day with this Sugary Girl Designs girl wrapped up with a cup of tea and a lazy day script from Olive Studio. And then I marked a Plan With Me binge with the YouTube play button from Planner Hannah, and I had ran out of scripts, so I didn't put it down. I do have them, but I just haven't gone back and filled in the spread yet. Then I have a couple sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio, eating takeout, to note that we had some takeout. Then use the shopping bag sticker from the kit to note buying some, I had ordered some maternity clothes previously in the week and they had arrived, so I was trying them on, even though my bump wasn't that big, but I was trying them on thinking I can't imagine myself being as big as the clothes were, which I never got that big anyway. So some of the clothes that I bought were a waste because I never got to wear them, but who knows, next time I'm pregnant I might get bigger. Moving on to Sunday. At the top of Sunday, I used a Mixie Cat stuff for cat again and a sleeping script from Planner Hannah to note sleeping in. I then noted washing my hair with a washed hair sticker from the Honeybee shop. I marked my husband gaming with a PS5 sticker from Sticky Perks. And then marked watching Criminal Minds with the same Fox and Pip girl that I used on Saturday. I then marked planning time with a planner from the kit and a planning time script from the kit as well, which I cut to make stacked. And then I then marked like shaving and doing a body scrub with this emoji with a face mask and a shave eraser and a me time script from the kit. I then marked a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from Planner Hannah. And then I marked getting milkshakes from Creams with this like ice drink sticker from the Honeybee shop. And that was the end of it. I am a little bit ahead, but that's fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video. Please, I never say this, but please share it with anyone you feel may like it. And if you don't already know, I do have a plan on Instagram called PlanWithAds, so go and follow that if you would like to see more close-ups of my spreads and more behind the scenes stuff. I have a couple of minutes to say what happened pregnancy wise in this week, but I don't think too many things happened. I did some maternity shopping, more of the tiredness, lots of takeout this week because I wasn't really in the mood for cooking. But I must have had a lot more energy because I was able to take out my hair, wash it, and do it this week. Which, when I was at the end of my pregnancy, that was pretty much not even possible. I don't know how I managed to do the hairstyle for my birth, but you know, God had me. Anyways, I'm just babbling. So in a second I'm gonna show you what's left of the kit, which is quite a bit, and give you a bit of a wiggle. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.